Hey everyone. I want to show you some of my drawings. They're pretty bad, so yeah. This one, Squidward as a Pokemon. This one, Tribal Arts. Primarily party rockers in the house. If you like Ghost Adventures. And for the Smoshies, Ian. Anthony. Smosh. Ghost Adventures. Yes. Oh, there's something random. Go Magic! Anthony. Smosh. Again. Smosh. I like Smosh. This one has Smosh, Anthony Padilla, Ian Hecox, Lisa something. Steve Green, Shane Dawson, Totally Sketch, Michael Gallagher, YouTubers, Smosh. Yes, I did that. And this is a person drawing, so I think I did pretty dang good. Shane Dawson. I didn't have a skin color, so the only thing I could find is yellow. And for Dakota Layden, Tanner Wiseman, Frankie Aarons, Connor Stallings, and Anthony Seaman, I did this just for you guys. Cause boys. Duh. Oh, every Tuesday. And subscribe to Short Films 1, 2, 3. Download the songs on iTunes. Good song. Funny. And let's see if there's any more. There's this one with a butterfly face. I think it's pretty. And this one is another. It's the last day of Smosh. I have some here up, but I have another one of Short Films. Right there. This one is from Food Battle. Anthony and Ian battle each other with food. I think it's pretty cool and creative. Food battle. A donut and a lollipop. Food battle 2011. That's all my drawings I have. Oh, someone wants to say hi. It's a Ben Ben. He's my baby. He's cross-eyed. Say bye-bye. And my grandma got me these, which I love. Perry, the platypus. See ya.